Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the keyboard, top cover, disconnect the wireless antenna cables, and disconnect the battery cable. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the wireless antenna and speaker cables for later replacement. Remove the wireless antenna cables from the routing channel on the base enclosure and speaker. Disconnect the left speaker cable from its connector on the system board. Disconnect the right speaker cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the right speaker cable from the routing channel on the speaker. Remove the two 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left and right speakers to the base enclosure. Lift the left and right speakers off of their alignment pins on the base enclosure and remove. Replacement. Place the left and right speakers onto their alignment pins on the base enclosure. Replace the two 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left and right speakers to the base enclosure. Connect the left speaker cable into its connector on the system board. Connect the right speaker cable into its connector on the system board. Route the right speaker cable through the routing channel on the base enclosure. Route the wireless antenna cables through the routing channel on the speaker and base enclosure.